Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. For today's technique is going to be a very short video. I call this technique Spiced Candied Walnuts. You can use it as a salad topper or, as I do, as a snack. Well, as I mentioned, it's a short video. I'll let you get to it. I truly hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, where you'll get a preview on what the next video will be for this channel. On Facebook, you'll find us at Angel Culinary Kitchen. On Instagram, at Angel Culinary Kitchen. And on TikTok, Angel Culinary Kitchen. There are some YouTube channels of which I describe that I know you will enjoy too. Go to the end of my description box and there you'll find the list. Please, once you visit them, let them know I sent you. I must say I truly enjoyed making these candied walnuts and eating them. Already I use it as a snack and as a salad topper. I use it on my salad when I use the gorgonzola cheese, and it's wonderful. If you prefer a more thickly coated candied walnut, Use the tip that I placed earlier in this video. For me, I like it lightly coated. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this technique, be sure to give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And if you are one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. As always, as I depart, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Be sure to come back to see what salads I make next. And I will see you next time.